Scroll through social media, and you'll see viral clips of players pulling back-to-back God packs in a blinding golden light, while others open hundreds of packs and find nothing but duplicates. It raises the question of whether the system is weighted against the average player, or if there is a specific mathematical rule driving the variance. To find the answer, we look to Justin Peary. He is a data analyst who built the ToolStack pull rate calculator to map exactly how these packs behave over thousands of openings. Peary's work reveals that what we perceive as luck is actually the result of high variance within a set system. Over a long enough timeline, your results are dictated by a fixed probability table. You can find the foundation of this system inside the game itself. Tapping the Offering Rates button reveals the official odds for every card in the set. For the standard double rare EX cards, the game is relatively accessible, offering a 5% drop rate per pack. This diagram shows the scale of the top-tier targets. That massive block is your 5% X rate. The microscopic sliver next to it represents the 0.05% chance for a God pack, and the even lower 0.04% chance for a Crown Rare. That 0.04% rate means that, on average, you will find only one Crown Rare for every 2,500 packs you open. Knowing these baseline percentages is the first step, but the real difficulty lies in how poorly our intuition handles these numbers when they are spread out over months of play. When we look at probability over time, we see why single-pack odds are a poor way to predict your success. A more useful metric is the coin flip, calculating how many packs you need to open before you reach a 50% chance of hitting your target. A 5% X card takes 14 packs for a 50% chance. A super rare takes 138 packs. 2 months of openings. A Crown Rare takes 1,733 packs, 2.5 years. Reaching 90% certainty takes 5,756 packs, or 8 years. This creates a hard limit for free-to-play users. You cannot simply grind for these top-tier cards. The math eventually requires you to pay real money if you want to skip the massive multi-year wait. Because these astronomical probabilities are so difficult to visualize, we need a way to check the data before we commit to a set. This is the ToolStack calculator. The packs needed input skips manual math, showing exactly how many packs are required to reach your goals. This is especially important when hunting a specific card. If there are 10 Crown Rares in a set, your odds for one specific target drop from 0.04% to 0.004% per pack. The game features a pity system, guaranteeing at least one 4-diamond E card or higher every 10 packs opened from the same set. But the pity system has a major limitation. It makes standard X cards more accessible, but it does not improve the drop rates for Immersive Rares, Crown Rares, or God packs. The calculator doesn't change your luck, but it does remove the feeling that you are due for a hit, replacing that hope with hard data. To understand the final cost, look at the money. Buying bulk Pokégold brings the price to roughly $1 per pack. Using that dollar per pack rate, we can see that a 50% chance at a single Crown Rare represents a cost of $1,733. For completionists, the numbers are even higher. To reach a 90% statistical guarantee for a Crown Rare, the investment totals $5,756. These figures represent the intentional economic design of the app, built to ensure that the rarest assets remain behind a high financial barrier. Pokémon TCG Pocket remains a generous experience for free-to-play users who are satisfied with standard X and art rare cards. But for those chasing the absolute rarest cards, the cost of completion reaches a level far beyond the scope of a casual hobby. Before you spend, use the ToolStack calculator to define your own limits. In a system governed entirely by math, foresight is the only consumer protection that works.